I love this song. 未来の前にすくむ心がいつか名前を思い出す叫びたいほど愛しいのは一つの命帰り着く場所私の指に消えない夏の日Wow. How's everyone doing today? I keep saying that. I don't know what to say after a song. I'm new to this whole karaoke thing. I'm a bit of a noob. Apologies. But I hope you guys are enjoying so far. I wanted to make sure that anyone who wasn't able to make it would still be able to watch this since it's my very first karaoke. So all the songs obviously are in Japanese. So this can be archived for your listening enjoyment.